Okay, and we're back. So we are going to do a take two on my way to what many have said is the best kebab in Vienna. And we're not talking about Ferhat Dona, we're talking about Chio's. Unfortunately, last time I went, all that footage was recorded in slow motion, so I can't really use that. Just an excuse to have a little feed. So we've made it, and hopefully this time the footage comes out. Anyway, Chio's has a sister site next door, which is this place, and over the weekend it's packed, and there's a market, which is what I saw last time around. And here is the actual site of what you want. You see the stacks of veggies. Oh, that's good. And then the meat, juicy meat on the inside. So this is the indoor seating area. It's really nice. And that leads directly to the entrance. So take a look at this. They do fresh bread here and also preparing skewers. So that's the preparation area, but tons and tons of fresh bread. And that's gonna be where your juicy doner is gonna sit in. Ooh, yes. So you've got options, you've got the chef there. Got chicken. Beautiful, look at that. Just going. And then you've got the meat, juicy, succulent pieces. And then the salad station just over here. You can see a kebab being wrapped. And now we're going to see the cutting in a traditional way. Beautiful. The skill that it takes to cut a kebab. Lovely. Oh yes, good job, chef. Lovely.
Salad,
loads of salad.
yemişte salad, un, kokteyl sote,
Yeah,
yogurt,
yeah,
trüffel mayo,
yeah.
şaf, käse und cheddar sose.
Oh, cheddar as well, cheese, yeah.
Yeah, ice.
Oh, beautiful. It is hot here, man. Good.
Sose.
Oh, Iskinder's was my favorite. It's just pure tomato goodness, that is. Lovely, lovely. Okay, nice. Thank you. This is one of the chefs. Great guy. He's just taking time to show me his kitchen. And we are in the busy afternoon period, so I do appreciate it. Thank you. Cheers.
Thank you very much.
One thing that has to be said, I've been to the other famous doner place, which is Ferhat Dona. This place is so friendly, comparatively speaking. The services are on point. Check the interior out. It's if you start to look at it properly, it's really well made. You've got you got cow and sheep sort of figurines. Well, I mean, look, I cannot think. I've not had breakfast or lunch, so anyway, I'll pan the camera around and let you guys name it in the comment section. That's what I'm talking about. Really comfortable seating as well. Oh man, it's a treat. Wow. Thank you. It's spoiled. This is really good. Okay, I'm quite hungry, so let's see how we get through this. I'll show you my plate. The doner is encased in this beautiful homemade flatbread. You've got fresh fries, you've got a lovely garlic dip, you've got a beautiful salad with chopped tomatoes, onions, chili, and then you've got some side sauces, a spicy sort of chili sauce and a garlic. Now, let's look at the doner. Oh yes. Beautiful, my days. Oh, just look at that. Oh, so succulent. Oh, that is juicy. Right, let's add the different elements. I've added the dill sauce or yogurt and dill with the doner. Let's give this a go. The yogurt really adds a different dimension in that you're not going to get acid reflux after. It cools your body down, especially when you've got pure meat. And then you've got the homemade French fries, really nice. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Really well seasoned. And the onion and tomato salad, never thought I'd love it this much. I started eating that by itself. let's see how this tastes when we mix it all together. So I've added all the onions, tomatoes, sauces, see what flavor profile we get. All the flavor combinations go really, really well together. There's only one thing left to do. Let's put the meat in the bread. Let's give it a go. It's fresh bread as well. And afterwards, I can put the camera down and demolish this. This is how it's looking so far. Adding everything on there. All right, so roll this bad boy up. Yep, it's gonna start filling out. Oh my lord. Yep, everything tastes better with bread. Oh wow. Can't even say wow, good. It's that good. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this and then yeah. Let's see what else I can show you. There's not much. I think I've covered most things. And just like that, finished. Time to wash it down with some iron. So that's iron. So this drink helps, it has digestive properties and it's made of yogurt, water and salt. So yeah, fairly simple and nice, it tastes good. That's the outdoor seating area. That was truly, truly beautiful. Now, since you're going to be in the area, and if you're watching this video and you're going to be here during the summer months, then I want to show you a place. Since you're in the 10th district, follow me. So this place is a 4-minute walk, and let's see if we can cue some of the footage I shot last time. Might be in slow motion, but at least you can get a taste of this place. Definitely not worth a miss if you're here in the summer months. It's Tichy's. Okay, that's all for now. That's all from the 10th district right now. And until the next one, let's see where else we can explore.